Much more than What's up, YouTube? It's Darius. I'm here today to give you all financial videos. This is not financial advice. I am not at liberty for you to lose or gain money. However, it is financial encouragement. There are ways to make money when you sleep. There are ways to make money while in class, in line. It doesn't matter where you are. You can still make money with passive income via the stock market. I will talk about investing, what is a stock, some financial terms, just different things that you do need to know and do research. By no means you are ready to start investing after this one video alone. A great source to start, where to start, is Investopedia. Investopedia has so many different terms, so many different articles. You will benefit greatly by just scrolling through a lot of different Investopedia articles. But let's get this video started. The agenda for this video: I'm going to introduce myself. I have the ambitions for myself and the channel. What is a stock? What is investing? Some financial terms and your homework. You got to do some own research. That'll be the biggest thing I say throughout the videos. Sure, I'm giving great intros, but you do have to do your own research and do not buy not one thing because of what I said. You have to do your own research, and you are at liberty. You are in total control of your financial journey. Mechanical engineer at Alabama A&M University. I am graduating May 3rd, 6 o'clock. Be there or be square. Like, it's been a journey. 5 years. I've been in for the game for 5 years, but I've had a lot of experiences, and I'm totally satisfied with my college journey. In my free time, I like to do photography. That was my first business, and then now I was getting into the stock market. I did do cryptocurrency a little bit, and that was when I had no idea what was going on. I was buying things because of YouTube videos, and again, I don't want to recreate people that did the mistake I did, but those YouTube videos would have been great sources to start, but not be everything. It can never be everything. My ambitions right now, I want to help you all. That's the biggest thing. If I just hold this information to myself, I will gain a lot personally, but I won't help anyone around my community. I'm all about community. I love serving the community in different services, but I feel like I can help you all with financial help. Later in life, after being an engineer, plant manager, director, executive, I do want to be a world traveling stock trader. I think that would be the coolest thing ever. Being in Italy, investing. Being in Australia, investing, and in Africa too. Like, just the entire world. I'm still making my little funds to help me eat. No more ramen. Big thing I like to say, no more ramen, even though I just finished my last ramen yesterday. But we eating steak and potatoes. And for this year, end of year, December 31st at 11:59, my goal is to reach a 5-digit net worth. That is not $10,000 in cash alone. I do have things of assets of my own. However, I do want a 5-digit net worth. That would be so huge, both in college, having a 5-digit net worth rather than having debt. That is a plus, and you are above the rest if you have a positive net worth starting in college. For the future, I would love to have giveaways. Even my title, I don't even have a YouTube title yet, but I do want to see what you all think, and maybe give $10 to the person who has the best channel name. After each market close around maybe 7 o'clock Central Time, I would love to have a recap of big news for the financials for the day, and then also the stocks that I'm following or that I'm publicly following. I will not show you all the stocks that I watch. However, I will show a good amount of those. I also would like to do live technical analysis. Currently, I do a lot of technical analysis on the stocks that I'm looking to get into for a good trade. However, I do love to just chart anything. So I'll have probably a 20-minute window, hit it in the comments section. What stock you would like to see actively, technically analyzed, and I'll do a 2-minute, quick, precise, and get straight to the point. Is it bullish or is it bearish, or you just have to watch for a good entry. I also would like to have entrepreneur interviews. This is not going to be just stocks. It's just going to be about that financial wealth, that financial freedom track. So we'll also have entrepreneurs locally and maybe nationally come in and talk to you all about how their journey started, and then also talk about other passive income ideas. There's photography. That is a passive income to me because it doesn't require a lot of time. It's actually a passion of mine. So I would say, even though most passive incomes are seeing nothing for you to do, if it's a passion, I still see it as a passive income besides your main source.